Before buying a balance bike for your child, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, SERED Toddler Balance Bike White. Let's kick things off with the SERED Toddler Balance Bike in white. Priced at $42.99, this bike immediately caught my eye with its sturdy build and cute design. If you want a bike that grows with your child, this is worth a serious look. This balance bike features a wide carbon steel frame that supports up to 110 pounds. This means it's safe for your little ones to ride without worrying about them outgrowing it quickly. The adjustable seat height, ranging from 12.6 to 17.1 inches, allows it to grow with your child, making it suitable for kids aged 2 to 5 years. Plus, with no pedals, it encourages balance and steering, which is crucial for transitioning to a pedal bike later on. Parents will appreciate its lightweight design, just 7.8 pounds, making it super easy to carry around for outings. Now, some people complained about the lack of brakes. Here's the thing though, for younger kids who are just learning, a brake isn't always necessary. It can actually promote a more natural learning experience. But if your child is a speedster, this might be something to consider. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a safe starter bike for your toddler. Skip this one if you prefer a bike with brakes from the start. At this price, it's a solid value for parents wanting to introduce their kids to cycling. Now, if the lack of brakes in the SERED bike bothered you, the next one might be exactly what you need. Product number 2, SERED Toddler Balance Bike Black. Next up is another SERED option, this time in black, priced at $44.99. Just like the white version, it boasts a sturdy frame and similar features. If you want a balance bike that allows for personal customization, this is worth a serious look. This model also supports up to 110 pounds with an adjustable seat and handlebar height. The quick-release mechanism lets parents easily modify the height without any tools, which is super convenient for families with multiple kids. The no-pedal design helps little ones learn balance and steering, while the bonus stickers allow kids to personalize their bikes. It's all about making the riding experience fun and unique for them. Some users mentioned that the bike could feel a bit wobbly. Here's the thing though, a certain level of wobbliness is expected as your child is still learning balance. It's part of the process. If your kid is more advanced, this might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you want a customizable balance bike for your toddler. Skip this one if you're looking for a bike that feels ultra-stable right away. At this price point, it offers fantastic features for the cost. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for families who want a classic touch. Product number 3, Radio Flyer Air Ride Balance Bike. The next bike is the Radio Flyer Air Ride Balance Bike, priced at $79.99. The classic red design instantly caught my eye. If you're after a well-known brand with a touch of nostalgia, this is worth a serious look. This bike features 12-inch rubber air tires that provide a smooth ride on various terrains, whether it's sidewalks, grass, or gravel. The adjustable seat guarantees a comfortable fit as your child grows, accommodating ages from 1.5 to 5 years. The grip tape on the frame serves as a no-slip spot for little feet, adding an extra layer of safety while they learn to ride. Plus, the company has a long-standing reputation for quality kids' products, which is a comforting factor for many parents. However, a few reviews pointed out that it can be a bit heavier than some other balance bikes. Here's the thing though, the sturdy construction that contributes to the weight also adds to its durability. If you're okay with a bit of heft for the long-term benefit, this bike is a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you cherish a classic brand that's known for quality. Skip this one if you want something lightweight for easy transport. Given its features, it definitely justifies the price tag. Now, if adjusting for comfort is a priority for you, the next bike might be an excellent alternative. Product number 4, JMMD 6-in-1 Toddler Bike. Now let's talk about the JMMD 6-in-1 Toddler Bike, priced at $115.95. This one really stands out with its versatility and multiple functions. If you're looking for a bike that adapts as your child grows, this is worth a serious look. This bike transforms from a parent push trike to a balance bike and even has training wheels. It's designed for kids aged 18 to 60 months, meaning you won't have to buy multiple bikes as they grow. The adjustable steering handle allows for safe control while guiding your child, making those early rides much easier. Safety features like a handbrake and a steering limiter ensure that your little one stays stable while they're learning. However, some parents found the assembly a bit tricky, although most parts come pre-assembled. Here's the thing though, once set up, the bike offers so much functionality that the initial hassle becomes a distant memory. It's worth it for the long-term use. This is perfect for you if you want a bike that can grow with your child through various stages. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler design without too many features. It's a bit pricier, but considering its adaptability, it's a solid investment. Now, if you prefer a more streamlined option, the last bike on our list might catch your interest. Product number 5, Strider 12 Sport Bike. Finally, we have the Strider 12 Sport Bike, priced at $149.99. This bike is all about simplicity and effectiveness. If you want a no-fuss bike that's proven to help kids ride faster, this is worth a serious look. The Strider 12 Sport features a lightweight steel frame and an adjustable seat height perfect for kids aged 1 to 4 years. The no-flat foam rubber tires mean you won't have to worry about inflating or maintaining them, which is a huge plus for busy parents. Plus, with tool-free adjustments, you can easily adapt it as your child grows, ensuring comfort and stability during rides. One downside is the higher price point compared to some other options. Here's the thing though, the durability and ease of use make it a worthwhile investment. You're paying for quality that lasts. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable bike that helps kids learn to ride quickly. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. Given its features and reputation, it's a fantastic long-term investment for your child's cycling journey. So there you have it, the SCRED balance bikes offer fantastic customization. The Radio Flyer brings classic charm, JMMD gives you versatility, and the Strider is all about reliability. Each has its strengths and caters to different needs, so think about what matters most for your child before making a choice.